Okay, this tutorial is about the uploads tool. Okay, so let's say I look through pictures in the photos section and I just can't find exactly what I'm looking for. I can go to Google and search for whatever it is I'm looking for. In this case, I'm looking for alcohol. If I find a picture that works, I'm just going to right click on it and save it to my desktop. Okay. Then back in Canva, I'm going to go to Uploads, I'm going to upload an image, click on it, open, and then it'll pop into my uploads. Okay, and then adding a photo. I'm going to delete this from my last tutorial. Okay, I would go to Elements, put my photo in there. I can resize it. Okay, however I'm going to use it over here. Go to my uploads, and then just like the other pictures, I'm just going to drag it in. And you can Google all sorts of things. You can Google drawings, you can Google photographs, and use things for your graphic designs that way.